Did you know there's 4 different types of MS? I didn't until recently. So let's talk about the first one. It is called CIS, which is clinically isolated syndrome. So CIS can be formed, but that does not necessarily mean you have MS. Confusing, right? But let's talk about the symptoms, which are vision problems, vertigo, loss of sensation in your face, weakness in your arms and legs, with one side of the body typically being worse, bladder problems, and difficulty with coordination, balance, walking, speaking, and swallowing. You won't usually be diagnosed with CIS unless you have had these episodes last over 24 hours or worsen. The way that a CIS diagnosis will actually expand into being MS is if you have brain MRIs that show the lesions in your brain that you have had multiple attacks of this throughout your life. Or that MRI is going to show active inflammation in a region other than somewhere else in your brain that is actually causing your current symptoms. That is pretty much the way CIS can be diagnosed. I don't know much more about it because personally that is not the type of MS I have. So I really recommend, if you want to learn more about that one, go to the MS Society, nationalmssociety.org page. They have really in-depth articles about it if you want to learn about it. It's quite fascinating. And besides it being fascinating, admittedly, it's fucking terrifying. But pretty much everything about this goddamn disease is fucking terrifying.